Hey, in this video, I want to talk about making 10,000 per month in your online business as a complete beginner. Now, it's the ultimate goal of making thousands and thousands every month in your online business, even from the very start, because we see so many different sales pages promising these type of results. However, they don't actually explain how they're going to deliver or how they're going to help you reach that goal. Whereas in this video, I want to walk you through exactly what it takes to reach that type of goal. And then I'm going to give you the factors that will play into how long it will take for you to reach that goal. Because at the end of the day, it is possible to reach whatever amount of money you want. It depends on a lot of factors, and that's what I'm going to run through in this video. But before we dive right in, if you're new here, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you stay informed on future videos where I give honest information as I grow my online business, and I will share everything I learn along the way. Now, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to use affiliate marketing because this is what I do in my online business, and I think affiliate marketing is an excellent way to get started online because it's low barrier to entry and you don't have to risk a huge amount of money to get started. Now, as a beginner, when you're starting out and you're trying to find products to promote as an affiliate in order to make sales, you can go to the likes of ClickBank or Digistore24. These two platforms are extremely beginner friendly because you don't need to be approved by the vendor. You can sign up for an account, free account with either of these, and you can start promoting any product you want on these sites. And you have thousands to choose from within numerous different niches. Okay, so now I want to show you realistically what it would take for you to make 10,000 per month every single month. We're going to look at two different scenarios, a low ticket offer and a high ticket offer. And that's just the difference in price really between the affiliate products. First one, we're going to say it's a $60 product that you want to promote, and the second one is a $500 product. Now, the first example here is $60 product. So the commission rate, let's say for example, it's 40%. Now with digital products, you can even go up as high as 50%, or it may even be lower, but we'll just, for this example, we will say 40%. And that would mean for every sale, you would make a commission of $24. And you would need to make 416 sales in order to make 10,000 every single month. You would need to make reoccurring sales of 416 sales per month. And then for the scenario of our high ticket offer of $500 for our affiliate product, with the same commission of 40%, for example, you would get a commission of $200 per sale, and you'd need to make 50 sales for the month in order to reach $10,000. For you to sell $500 products as a complete beginner, it's going to be a lot more difficult than selling a lower ticket offer, because there's going to be a lot more trust involved when someone purchases a product for that amount of money. And the next question you need to consider is, well, how are you going to get these sales in the first place? Who are you going to actually show these offers to that people want to buy? And the question here you need to ask is, where is your traffic going to come from? How are you going to get as many targeted people in front of your offer? You will need a continuous flow of traffic to see your offers, so you'll be able to generate a consistent amount of money every single month. I'm on a website called Supermetrics, and they explain what a good conversion rate is. And they give an example here. The last month, your affiliate landing page had 2,000 visitors, while 10 of them bought a product from you that you promote. Your conversion rate then is 0.5%. They do explain, if you need a benchmark, an average conversion rate in the affiliate marketing industry is from 0.5 to 1% conversion. So I hope this actually explains, and you can see how much traffic or how many visitors you need in front of your offer in order to make one sale. Now, don't get me wrong, do I believe that it's possible to make 10,000 per month online? I absolutely do, and it's a goal I hope to reach at some stage in my business. However, in the very beginning, there's no way, in my opinion, that most people will ever reach that goal at the very beginning. There are so many different factors that play into it. Time is number one. It really depends on who you are, what type of competition or niche you're going into, what type of competition there's in it. Your experience level will have a huge factor as well, because if you have more knowledge from one person to another, you'll get along a lot faster. And then the tools you use, if you are trying to go free, That is going to take that bit longer, but at the end of the day, it's all about taking action. And then your time commitment. Have you got a full-time job? Have you got a family? What are your commitments? Because if you can put in an hour a day versus 8 hours a day, that's going to dramatically impact how fast you can grow your business. And then finally, if you use organic traffic versus paid traffic. Now, I went down the paid traffic route when I was starting out years ago, when I was completely lost, and I lost a lot of money because I had no clue what I was doing. I have not done any paid advertising since I started my channel, and it's definitely what I recommend you do as a beginner, because you're not going to waste a lot of money paying ads. So get the fundamentals down first before even looking into paid traffic. So with that being said, I would recommend just take 10,000 per month out of your mind completely. Just focus on your first commission, because once you get your first commission, you can make your second, and you make your second, you can make your 10th, and so on. But in the beginning, when you're starting out, the only important thing is creating valuable content for your target audience. You then gain authority within your niche on one platform. So I would recommend just stick with one, whether it be YouTube, whether it be your own blog, or whether it's Facebook, whatever it is, whatever you're comfortable in. And you'll start to see over time that you will start to gain more knowledge in your niche and your area. You'll start to gain more confidence and how you're delivering your content. You just will get better and better over time. And then in that learning stage, while you're putting everything together, you are going to start making progress. And ultimately, the more content you create, the more knowledge you'll get, the more confidence you'll get. You will start gaining authority within your niche. You'll start to build trust, and whatever offers you have, you are going to start seeing some sales coming in. And that's where it all begins, your first sale. And with that being said, if you're interested in my top recommended training and starting in affiliate marketing, go to the link in the description down below. It's exactly how I got started. It literally gives you step-by-step actions on how you can start your online business from absolute scratch. I highly recommend it if you want to start a long-term business, because 10,000 per month is going to be long term. And if that's your ultimate goal, that's excellent. However, if you're starting out, put that to a side for a second and just focus on creating your content in order to make your first sale. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful and you got some insight. And if you did, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification. And while you're here, go check out these other videos on screen, and I will catch you on the next video. Take care.